Baby, ya yo me enteré, se nota cuando me ve. Ahí donde no has llegado, sabes que yo te llevaré. Y dime qué quieres beber, es que tú eres mi bebé. Y de nosotros, ¿quién va a hablar si no nos dejamos ver? Yo sé dolce, a veces vulgar. Y cuando te lo quito, después de los paris, las copas de vino, las libras de mari. Estás bien suelta, yo de safari. Tú me ves el culo fenomenal, pa' yo devorarte como animal. Si no te has venido, yo te voy a esperar. En mi cama y lo voy a celebrar. Baby, a ti no me pongo, y siempre te lo pongo. Y si tú me tiras, vamos a nadar en lo hondo. Si por mí te lo pongo, de septiembre hasta agosto. En mis 5 años, lo que digan tu amiga, ya yo me enteré. Se nota cuando me ves, ahí donde no has llegado, sabes que yo te llevaré. Dime qué quieres beber, que tú eres mi bebé.
Hey guys, I know it's been a minute. I haven't been posting on YouTube for like mad long. It's because I've been busy with school and I've just been focusing more on life and school. And yeah, and now that school's over and I passed all my classes and everything, I'm gonna get back on my content and I will be doing more YouTube videos and all that. But you know, it's gonna be a banger in this video. I'm not really showing my face or anything because I look a hot ass mess. I'm tired as hell. Like, I'm stressed the fuck out. But I'm going to Puerto Rico, and yeah, y'all gonna come with me, and I'm gonna stay there for 7 days, and y'all gonna be there with me, and I'm gonna vlog every day and stuff, and yeah, and I'm gonna just have fun, and I'm gonna be turned up, and this video already be a banger. And I'm about to take my ass to bed because it is 11 something. I gotta be at the airport by 3 a.m. And yeah, so y'all gonna be there with me. And we gonna, you feel me? And I got my hair done and everything. Y'all just not ready for this. But I'm gonna see y'all in the morning or like in a couple of minutes when I get up and I'm getting ready and on my way out the door to the airport and stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey y'all. So we just loaded everything up in the car and we finna get going. And yeah, period. Let me show you my outfit. I got pretty little things set on, Yeezy Forerunners, and yeah. Ugh. My nose is a little stuffy, not too much. But yeah, we just loaded the car up and stuff. We finna go pick up my aunt, get her stuff together, and then yeah, we're gonna be on the way to the airport, so I'm gonna see y'all when we get there. Anyways, y'all, we made it to the airport or whatever. I had to go through security, all that. That shit was mad annoying, not even gonna hold. But yeah. We at the airport with it. I'm about to try to find something to eat. And yeah, but there's like nothing. Like, I can't find nothing. But I'm hungry as hell. Where the bowl? I'm about to make cereal. Say not, but yeah. If I find something to eat, I'm gonna get back to y'all. If not, I'll get back to y'all when I'm on the plane about to fly off or whatever. Tell them what happened, sir. Tell them what happened. What happened?
We're here in the airport.
No, tell them what happened.
We're going to Texas.
No, tell them why.
Because our flight was canceled to PR today. We are traveling to Houston, Texas today. We get a hotel there and we're going to fly tomorrow to Puerto Rico to start our real vacation time.
Yep, the flight got canceled, y'all. So now I'm just waiting for the flight to go to Houston to come. Who baby? Oh. Look at my mommy, y'all.
¿Está llamando seria?
Look at her. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I board the plane to go to Houston. On the way to Texas. What a day. What a day. I'm tired. Hey y'all, I look mad crazy, but let me fill y'all in on everything. So basically, you know how we was going to PR, they canceled our flight, so there was nothing to do. Then we was at the airport for like hours, and we caught another flight to Houston. So now I'm in Houston, and now we in Houston, and then from Houston, we ready to catch a flight to PR. And we're ready to catch a flight to PR tomorrow. So now I'm staying in Houston for a day. So yeah, and I don't know what we for real gonna do over here, cause yeah, I don't know what we're ready to do over here. But everything's just blowing my shit. I'm tired as hell. I'm hungry. I just want to go to sleep. Like I'm irked. I could have been in PR right now, doing everything that I wanted to be doing, like what? But it's okay. God always do everything for a reason, y'all. But I don't know where I'm going. But I'm gonna see y'all if I get to doing something. Or I don't know. I know this vlog is probably ass, y'all, but y'all in Houston. This is the bathroom. It's really just for one day, y'all, so not too much, but it's something. And then we got the bedrooms. There's something, I guess. A little TV. Then we got this cute mirror. Yeah, it's okay. It's, I don't know, but I don't know what we finna do. I think we finna get something to eat. I don't know. So y'all, we got the room switch because the room was hold on. Look at you, sexy. Ooh. Man. Come on. Where are we going? That's the new room because the other one was mad dirty. And I don't know where we're going. The gym. the pool. Now we're going in the elevator. Break our back. I want a full orange milk or a snack. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Everything. Just everything. Like, oh my god. But yeah, y'all. Hey vlog, so I'm gonna give y'all like the quick rundown or whatever. I don't know when was the last time I was talking to y'all, but we had gotten something to eat. We had gotten to church, and if you don't know what that is, it's like this chicken place. And we had gotten that, and then what else? That's really it. And then we was just chilling and picking out our clothes for tomorrow. So right now I'm in Houston, and tomorrow we fly out to Puerto Rico around like 2 p.m. something like that. So yeah, basically our flight had gotten canceled and stuff like that, and the only thing that they really could do was fly us out to Houston, and then from Houston fly out to PR. So yeah, that's what happened. And yeah, and I'm running on 0 hours of sleep, so I am about to go to bed, go to sleep, and yeah, I'll get to y'all like tomorrow when I'm about to leave us hotel or something, cause but yeah, I'm just tired of shit, y'all. Like my eyes, bruh, everything. But I'll see y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. And y'all should really go check out my TikTok and my reel on Instagram, because out of nowhere both of them is blowing up. On my TikTok it got like 20k something views and 2k likes, and then on my Instagram it got like 30k views with 1k likes. So y'all should really go check that reel out, cause I don't know why it's doing all that. But yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Hey y'all, so it is the morning and I am ready. This is the outfit, and then we're about to head to the airport to fly to PR. What was all that noise? I'll see y'all at the airport. So y'all, we at the airport, and yeah, we at the airport now. Yeah, now we about to get on this. We about to get on this train. On this train. Right. This is blowing my shit. But yeah. Oh, and we had pizza. The pizza was 10 out of 10. It was a bang. Banger. I'm gonna see y'all when I'm doing something. I don't know.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, ciao for now, ciao, ciao. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, ciao for now, ciao, ciao. sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child. She don't want.
Llegamos a Piar a disfrutar nuestras vacaciones, si el Eterno permite.
Girl, speak English.
I don't speak English, only Spanish.
No, you don't. Y'all, we made it. My camera looks so busted up, bro. I'm finna put the sign now.
Vete en la cara.
I'll see you when I'm doing something.
My girl got diamonds on her arm, diamonds in her ear. She even wear that diamonds for a year. I'm trying to treat you special, like no one did. My baby skips the nightlife and the sidelines just to show me it's mine. I'm trying to treat her special.
Hey y'all, so we made it to the hotel, so I'm gonna give y'all like a room tour. So boom, this is the entrance. Don't mind the background noise. She on the phone. Entrance. We got like a little kitchen type shit. Then we got a sofa bed joint. Then we got the main bed with them. The motherfucking bathroom. Let's talk. It's good. Oh wow. It's good. Talk to me nice. Stop playing. But yeah. Now we're gonna try to get something to eat, so y'all, we getting a little tour. Ooh. This is really fun. Please do this floor.
Por aquí.
Frío, hace calor.
Yo sé, contrario. What? Anyways, yeah, we've been walking. I got me one of these. You feel me? Yeah. It don't move. Bro, I'm hot.
Artículos religiosos de la religión. No me iglesia.
I bet you this lady has the best.
Alright, I'm gonna get back to you when I'm doing something.
Made it through property on that minority, you know the story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. I'm in prison, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga I was on six, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them over get KB, yeah, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation. Top Gun is on vacation, yeah. I'm not trying to hurt nobody. Count up the hurts, I promise some pressure. Give you some gain and slow motivation. We need the gas, head in the place. Switch up the swag, switch up the band. Nigga, they jack up my way cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She gave more head than the tumor. And I got things I can prove it, yeah. I got a rich and getting no diploma. She think it's something got to do with my mama while I can't love her like she need me. That's what you get when you think of a marriage. Now wake up.
So y'all, we are just like resting and stuff. Ooh, excuse me. I don't know what we're gonna do yet and stuff, but I'll get back to y'all if we do something. I low-key forgot where I left off, but I did my edges. Cause, yeah. I did my edges, cause, yeah. And, yeah. And now we're in the lobby getting snacks or whatever. I don't know what we're gonna do. But, yeah. They look a little, yeah, but you know, we ready to go to sleep and stuff, so. Hey y'all, so I low-key forgot where I left off, but I had gotten something to eat, and yeah, and now, do not mind my mom, and now I'm ready to go to sleep and just see y'all tomorrow. I don't really know what we're doing tomorrow yet, but yeah. Good morning, people. I am tired. What? No, for what? What is the beach gonna scare me? I know that. Is it gonna make me shit my pants? Like what? But we are going to the beach. And yeah, at that beach. Well, one beach because we're going to multiple. But we're going to one today. And I get to see my sister today. I'm a little burnt. Bye, see y'all at the beach. Y'all, so we made it at the beach, period. We ready to be out. It's mad hot, like it's too hot, like my hair look a mess and I fucking know it too. Like, but we here at the beach. And it's really hot, yeah, like really hot. We just left the beach, and I look a hot mess right now. I don't know what we about to do, but yeah, I'm hungry though, so my hair still looks alright.
le dije a él que estábamos
Anyways,
en el escambrón.
we out eating.
Y ayer estaba en el morro.
I'm hungry.
Pues está bien, los quiero
I
mucho,
got
se
me
me
a
cuidan,
pina
¿ok?
colada. Is it good?
Llega una frisa la parcha. No, no. Allá me lo dijo.
Pina colada. I'm burnt.
¿Está buena? ¿Está buena? A mí me gusta más la tuya siempre, pero está rica. Déjame probarla, ¿puedo probarla? Ellos le echan más algo de coco. Está buena.
Bro, my head is sore. I'm gonna go canoeing. I'm gonna get you out when we're doing all that.
$365 days till we get married. A year from today.
Where y'all gonna get married now?
At the courthouse.
How you feel?
I don't know. You better paddle your ass off. You don't want leading the way, bro.
How you feel?
When y'all crash into the tree.
Alrighty, we out here, y'all.
Y'all gonna be good.
How you feel?
Let's do it.
That's kind of nasty. She's pregnant. She got her whole ass.
That was me yesterday at the beach.
Well,
Yeah, my bathing
Just
suit
like that?
My bathing suit was too. No, not like that.
but like,
I had like
Sit
my
on
little,
the-
like my little cheek was.
You ain't been vlogging. It's okay.
Alright, y'all, so I know y'all cannot see me because I'm in the dark, but I forgot where I had left off, but today was a good day. You know, we met up with my sister and stuff, and yeah, and we went kayaking and all that, and today was just a really fun day, and it was real fun. I give it like a 10 out of 10 for real, and tomorrow morning I'm going to the beach, I'm going jet skiing, and then I'm also going to ride the four-wheelers and stuff like that with family and stuff. So yeah, I'll get to y'all in the morning or whenever for real, but yeah, today was good.
Presiona para abrir en Google Maps.
Mhm.
La localización.
We at another beach.
Yeah, but she's texting. No, es la no de Pero me
Finna go jet skiing.
¿Qué, Jordan?
Nothing.
Es otra playa, no es la misma
We
playa.
finna get on them
otra-
jet
otra-
skis, y'all. Burnt. Period.
Ahora estamos acá, pueden llegar hasta la
Period.
estacionamiento. Aquí hay Ciro Playa
But yeah,
y no deben pagar
we at
para
another beach,
estacionarse.
and we finna go jet skiing.
Llame cualquier cosa.
We finna be like 20 bitches on the jet skis. Or however that song goes. I don't know how that song goes, but yeah. And yes, I'm wearing the same biggest suit from yesterday because, yeah.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying.
Y'all, so I went jet skiing. It was fun. And I got me a Colorado. This shit right here, bang. Bang.
Te lo envío ahora, Jessica. El video que te cogí también, mami.
Like,
Ustedes
burn.
quieren pensar, no por WhatsApp, ¿verdad?
Y'all, we just left the beach. We riding jet ski. And now we're ready to ride four-wheelers. Oh no, four-wheeler.
Yo, you like this?
Esta sola tú prefieres. Ven y dame un chance. Pa' guayarte. Allá abajo mojarte. Toda la parte.
So y'all, we ready to get on the four-wheelers. On the four-wheelers. Oh y'all, I'm excited. I was waiting for this, like literally I was waiting for this. I'm excited. Y'all gonna see me on the little zoom zoom. I'm like zoom zoom. It's mad hot though. It's mad hot. But y'all better stay tuned for the Instagram pictures and all that. You better stay tuned for all that. I'm not playing. But yeah. Look at that, yeah. Up on the mountains with it. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Just the fit though. Oh my soul, stop playing with me.
Yeah, I know you got that message that I sent. All them texts that I sent. Steady blowing up your jet. You leaving and come back. Is you going or you staying? If you going, then stay gone. Tired of blowing up your phone. You been playing with my mind. It's like I'm running out of time.
Y'all, we finna get on these bitches. Stop playing with them. I'm finna get diamond on me dancing. I'm finna.
Like I wanna kill myself. Diamonds on me dancing, pink ring full of crystals, baby. Bigs out in the building, come and take a picture, baby. Y'all nigga poppin' shit, you know I'm that nigga, baby. Wrist piece, bling, blow, neck piece, blizzard, baby.
When are you coming out here?
You finna come out here?
You know I'm amazed.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind, it is so waste. Trials and tribulations.
can't see me right now or nothing, but do not mind them in the back. Like trifling is a hell. But today was mad fun. We went on the jet skis, and then we went on the 4-wheelers and all that, and we was at the beach. Well, first we was at the beach in the morning, then after the beach we went to the jet skis and stuff. Then after the jet skis we went to the 4-wheelers and stuff, and I had mad fun. Like today was like one of like the most funnest days out of all the days that I've been here so far, and it's just been mad lit. And yeah, and I don't know what we doing tomorrow, but I'm gonna get to y'all tomorrow morning with that.
Where you at though?
In Chicago, Chirac.
Country? When are you coming out here?
You can come out.
Mira, me mandó la dirección ahora.
So y'all, we made it to the river, lake, whatever you want to call it. I'm hot. I'm sunburned. Ugh. It's mad hot.
I got Grey Goose in my system and I'm trying to give a fuck, cause I'm a lawyer tonight and hate you when I wake up. Girl, do you feel how I'm feeling, baby? Give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Cause it's on. Turn on the radio, baby. I'll turn you on. Just make sure you're ready, baby, cause I'm down for anything. Tell me when you ready, baby. Timing is everything. Tell me when you ready, baby, cause you know when it's up. So give me where you know, you know, you know, you know, you know I need it. Give me where you know, you know, you know, you know, you know. I got Grey Goose in my system and I'm trying to give a fuck, cause I'm a lawyer tonight and hate you when I wake up. Girl, do you feel how I'm feeling, baby? Give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Oh yeah, cause Jesus turned his water into wine. Put some rum in my head, I mix my liquor. Fuck them other niggas, yeah. Jesus turned his water into wine. Put some rum in my head, I mix my liquor. Don't be fucking other niggas when you so can wait.
I am burnt, so.
¿Qué va? No, yo voy ya mismo. El paseo a Tocha, dijeron que música y cloro y beber y todo, mira, música en vivo. Yo no quiero todo eso. Yo voy a pasar por todo eso. Bueno.
I'm gonna go to the hotel. I'm tired as hell. Okay, y'all, so today was mad fun. We went to the river, or whatever you want to call it, with the mountain joint, and we did that, and it was mad fun. But I'm so tired, like I'm ready to crash out, so I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Oh my god, it's hot. I didn't even record in the morning. Oh, I didn't even record at all in the morning. At all in the morning. I'm sorry. I am burnt. Y'all.
360,
Well, we went
42,
to, where did we go? Oh, we went to the bakery in the morning, and then we saw some family, and now we gotta go eat.
I mean, they don't live that far into the mountain. Like,
No, ellos, eso yo
on
te
the
dije.
bottom.
Ellos viven abajo, pero la familia vive en las montañas.
Oh, dumbass.
Hello, ¿quién es tío Harry?
My fault, y'all. My phone was dead all day. I just got back to the hotel. We at the pool right now. But, yeah. We at the pool right now. But, yeah. I'm finna get in. Ooh, the lights are on. Ooh, I'm finna get in right now. Hey y'all, we just got back from the pool or whatever. Do not mind my hair. It just is not laid down. But we just got back from the pool. I didn't really record a lot today, but all we did was where did we go? We went to a restaurant. And we went to see some family, and I think that's really it. Yeah, family and people that we haven't seen in over like 30 years. So we did that. Tonight I'm leaving. I'm flying back out to Jersey tonight. And I gotta leave the hotel at like 1 o'clock in the morning. And I think I'll get there at like 5 o'clock in the morning, something like that. But yeah, it was a fun trip. I really enjoyed it. I liked it. It was so fun. Yeah, but I'm about to hop in the shower and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna get in the shower. And yeah, and then I guess I'll record while I go to the airport or whatever. But yeah, that was my trip, y'all. It was fun. I need to fix my hair, not too much on it. But yeah, like the bathroom is so, it's so titty. But yeah, I'm about to get in the shower. Okay, y'all, so we at the airport, about to leave. Bro, we gotta leave.
Please ask your flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a changing color or an exit sign to indicate that you have reached an exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit.
I'm trying to show you up. She really the latest girl. She really my favorite girl. I'm loving the way you twirl. You twirl in the Maybach. She really the latest girl. She really my favorite girl. I'm loving the way you twirl. You twirl. Fresh up, put it on me. But you gon' do it slowly. You're dirty wine, would you bend it for me? Take a picture in your short sleeve. I had a feeling one of these days you'll be the reason I stay. When you ain't girl, you make me say me get stitch, you know. Never met a bad man like this, you know. And I make a man see like breeze, you know. You say I'm fine like Starboy Weeds, you know.
dead. I am home. I can't wait to go to my bed and sleep. Oh my god.